Good morning, students. Now we are studying the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. Today we are going to discussing some MCQ questions from the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. Let's start. Let's discuss some MCQ questions from the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. First question: which of the following process cannot remove germs from water? Boiling, reserve osmosis, chlorination, filtration through porous pot. We know that boiling, reserve osmosis, chlorination will remove all germs from water. But in the case of filtration, filtration only purify the water, but it will not remove the germs from the water. So option D, filtration through porous pot, is the correct answer. Next question: which of the following is smokeless fuels? LPG, CNG, both of this, none of this. Here LPG and CNG are smokeless fuels. So option C, both of this, is the correct answer. Which technique of irrigation should be used to save water? Irrigation is used farmers for farming. So drip irrigation, water wheel, lift irrigation, sprinkler system. So drip irrigation is the correct answer. It will save water. Water containing high salt concentration can be purified by which techniques? Filtration, chlorination, boiling, reserve osmosis. Here option D, reserve osmosis, is the correct answer. It will purify the highly salt concentrated water. Incomplete combustion of fuels such as petrol and diesel gives carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide. Here option B is the correct answer, carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is very poisonous gas. Water that is suitable for drinking is called filtrated water, contaminated water, potable water, saline water. Here we know the answer. We already studied it. Potable water is the water that is suitable for drinking. When fog is mixed with smoke, then dash is caused. Acid rain, smoke, global warming, none of this. Here we know when fog is mixed with smoke, we will get smoke. The ozone layer is in our atmosphere protect us from CFC, carbon dioxide, sun's ultraviolet rays, none of this. Here C is the correct answer, sun's ultraviolet rays. Ozone layer protect us from sun's ultraviolet rays. Air pollution causes respiratory diseases, global warming, soil erosion, none of this. Option A, respiratory diseases, is the correct answer. Air pollution causes respiratory diseases. In which month the Van Mahotsav is celebrated? June, April, July, November. July is the correct answer. In July, Van Mahotsav celebrated. What is the cause for starting of melting of Gangotri glacier? Air pollution, global warming, water pollution, smog. Global warming is the correct answer. So all should write these questions in your notebook. So we discussed some MCQ questions from the chapter Pollution of Air and Water. All should study these questions very well. Thank you.